Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to send an email using Gmail through the mobile. So let me start the demonstration. First, you need to find the Gmail icon in your mobile. So you can identify the icon. You need to go to the Google, and here there are a lot of Google platforms are available: Google, YouTube's, Google Meet, photos, and several things. Under this, you can find the Gmail and you can open that. You can easily find the Gmail option because it is the icon that indicating the envelope with some color indication such as orange, green, and the blue. So if you didn't find the Gmail icon, you need to search the Gmail. So that's the thing. So you need to search Gmail and you need to search here. Then you will navigate to the Gmail, and there in the top of the Gmail you can find your username and your email address. And if you want to send a mail to another recipient, you need to compose a mail. So you need to click on this pencil icon, that is the composing icon. You need to click on that. Then automatically your email address will be retrieved under the from, and here you need to fill the following things. You need to declare the sender's email address under the to. So you need to type the sender email address. Here I am typing my another email under this to, and here you need to put the subject, which means you are going to send an email. That email should contain the particular information. So you need to put the heading for the message that you are going to send to your friend or any of the recipients. So I'm typing greeting. That's my subject of my Gmail. Here I'm starting with a message. This is the place you need to type the message, which means your email. I'm typing sir or madam. I would like to know about yourself. I would like to know about yourself. Then you need to put your name under the regards. Here I put my name. Yes. Actually, you type your email here, and then you need to send this email. So you need to click on this triangle icon to send the email. Before sending the email, if you want to attach any attachment, you need to click on this attachment icon. It is like the paperclip icon, so you need to click on that and you need to select attach file. Then you can find your document or images which you want to attach. Like I told in previous video, about WhatsApp attachment sending, you need to select the attachment. Here I'm going to send this image, that's why I take this image, and then you need to click done. Then you will observe the selected image will be attached under your email. So then you can verify and check your email. Then you can send this email by click on this send icon. After sending the email, you will be getting the successful message as sent. You will notify this. And if you want to check the email from other recipient, you need to click on this menu, and here you need to select the inbox, and here you can find the emails that you have received from other recipients. So that is the thing. And another thing under the Gmail composing, when you are composing an email, under the tool there is a more than simple. You need to click on that, which means you need to expand that symbol. You will observe there are two features, CC and BCC. Actually CC is a carbon copy, BCC is a blind carbon copy. Actually when you are putting the email address of the recipient which you want to send the email, you need to put the recipient under the two. And if you want to send the mail to the particular person, and if you want to note others, I have sent this mail to the particular person, for your reference you need to consider. At the time you need to put those email address under the CC. Then they will notify you have sent this email address, send this email to the particular person. So under the BCC, when you are putting the email address under the BCC, when you are sending this email to the particular persons, when you are putting the email address under the BCC, you put the email address under the BCC person's emails not to be shown for other recipients. They only notified this email has been sent to number of recipients.